Hello everybody, my name is Mandeep Singh Malhotra. I am MTech second year student at Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana. This video is the first assignment for Tall Building Final Project. It is to be submitted at Skyfi Labs. In this project, the modeling and analysis of this 23-story building is to be done. The building has different lateral sections for different stories. There are four sets of similar stories. These are the four sets of similar stories from 1 to 8 story, from 9 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 23, each having same dead load but different live loads. The live loads are here given: 5 kN per meter square, 4.5, 4 and 3.5 kN per meter square. The beam and column cross sections to be used for building are these given below. These are for columns, these are for beams, and M40 concrete grade is to be used: HYSD 500 bars, MIDE 250 rebar. For slab sections, 150 mm thickness and M40 concrete. Auto drag cladding is to be used. Cladding load is 0.2 kN per meter, which will act only at the outer beams. Exterior beams. This building is to be considered at Bangalore location, and wind load is to be considered for this. This is our building model, this is the plan, and this is the elevation. For checking the dead load at shells, we can select the shells like this. And here display shell load assigns. Select dead, apply. This is 2 kN per meter square, which was constant for all the building stories. And if live load is to be shown, this is the live load, 5 kN per meter square at story 1. So if we have to remove these loads, show undeformed shape, and to deselect, press escape. Now for checking the cladding load, we have to simply select the outer beams, the exterior beams like this. Select them carefully so that any other element may not be selected. When all the outer beams are selected, we have to go to the display frame load assigns and leave it as dead load, apply. Okay, so 0.2 kN per meter, which was given. Now undeformed shape, this is the undeformed shape. Now for checking the wind load assigns, go to define load patterns. Here I have already defined the wind load. If we have to check that, modify later loads. These all factors are from IS 875 part 3 1987. Wind speed to be considered at Bangalore is 33 meter per second. Terrain category is third. Structure class C, as it is greater than 50 meter height. Risk coefficient 1 and topography factor K3 is also 1. Now for running the analysis, click on this run analysis. This will run the analysis of the building. Now the analysis is complete, and this shows the deformed shape of building. Wherever we point the cursor, it will show the displacement values. At any point we can check the displacement values. Now for running the design, go to design, concrete frame design, view revised preferences, check, ensure that this is IS 456 2000. Okay, Now we can start the design. Now the design is complete, and this shows the longitudinal reinforcement values at beams and columns. These are the top steel and the bottom steel for beams. Whichever beam we want to see in detail, we can right click at there. So here is the top steel, the bottom steel, the shear steel. Now go to envelope. Here, this is the beam envelope. All information regarding the beam is given here. For checking the summary, this is the summary for that beam. The beam is being highlighted there. Now we can close this window. We can now check whether all the members have passed the design check or not. Verify all members passed. So this is the dialog box for all concrete frames passed the design check. Okay. Now the design is complete and the building is safe. We can also check the detailing here. Start detailing. Now here the detailing box shows up. This window shows the floor framing plan at story 23. In the detailing, we can check the drawing sheets for concrete column schedule 204, as same for the beams, and reinforcement cage views. This is for beam. For getting the reports, go to reports, project report. Here is the summary report. Double click on that and the summary report will show up here. So this is the summary report for our project, which shows all the important values. And this completes our project, the assignment first for tall building final project, to be submitted at Skyfi Labs. Thank you all.